Tell me what you made.
The candy dispensers.
Candy dispensers. Show me how it works.
This one, the card's still different, but you pick the ATM card. Imagine my thing goes to card, you go, and you'll get...
and out comes the Twix.
Yeah, your Twix.
Cool.
And you can get another one. Costa. It's fine. And then with the Skittles, you pull the leather. You
Out
can
comes
get
some
a couple.
Skittles.
Yeah, you can get more, but they'll all fall out. If you pull it too far out, they'll start all of them to fall in.
Which one is your favorite?
This one. I made this one all by myself. I saw this one from like a video.
Okay. Very impressive. Which is your favorite candy?
I like both of them.
Good job, bud.